planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait.
This is a pretty typical day at SRA here. We got plenty of cars. Let's go meet the staff.
Poison for the system, pirate skulls and bones, sticks and stones and weed and bombs, running when we hit lethal poison for the system. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner, prepaid wireless. We pack and deliver like UPS trucks. Already going hell, just pumping that gas. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner, prepaid.
As you can see here, these are lifeguards having a nice relaxing break.
Normal day at Stratford.
You.
Go.
Alyssa.
What? Usually does this count?
Well, I show up on time. And that's about it.
What do you do in an average day at SRA?
I drink vitamin water, and I tan, and I check my phone.
Play a lot of volleyball. Try to read. If I'm really being honest, sort of just sit there, look at the pool until the reflection from the sun burns my eyes. You know? That's about the average day. Ow! Now that's what I call a killer service.
As a lifeguard, we have to check the bathrooms to make sure everything's clean and good. So let's go in and get a quick look. Everything's all good in here.
Oh, sorry I didn't see you there. As a lifeguard manager, every 2 hours we have to make the long, arduous journey from the guard office to the pool and then back here to make sure these patrons stay safe with levels of pH and chlorine. And then, once we're done testing, we throw it out. And we sit for another 2 hours.
Now headed to the pump though. Thousands of gallons rushing in and out of this right here. This is where it all goes down, folks. It's a beauty. It's a beauty.
Most lifeguards are lazy, ineffectual, discourteous, and disinterested. In 2014, 174 children drowned, all at Stratford. This is unacceptable. We need to change this now. It all starts with focus, dedication, and well-timed whistleblowing. We can still turn this around. To further fix lifeguard laziness, lifeguards should be more organized, and staff should always be prepared for an accident. Lifeguards should never participate in any activities such as volleyball, sleeping, and texting while on the job, and should always be focused on saving lives and helping patrons. If these things happen, the pool will become a safer place for everyone to swim and enjoy the sun, as well as a better work environment for the people who have such an important task of being a guard.